Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make collagen beef broth. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3-4 pounds of beef bones, ideally a mix of marrow and knuckle bones for maximum collagen. Don't forget some meaty bones for extra flavor. Also, have 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. Finally, grab 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, prepare your bones. Rinse them well under cold water to remove any impurities. Then, arrange the bones on a baking sheet. Roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This crucial step deepens the flavor and gives your broth a beautiful, rich color. After roasting, drain any excess fat from the pan. Now, transfer your roasted bones to a large stock pot. Add the chopped carrots, celery, and onion, along with the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Cover everything with about 1 gallon of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, skimming any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Finally, it's time to strain your delicious broth. Carefully pour the contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the cooked bones and vegetables. Let the broth cool completely to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.